Hey guys, today we've got an unboxing of the Griffin. This is the breakaway safe mag power cable. So this is a USB-C type breakaway cable for mag connection. Similar to what the iPads and stuff used to have, where they were magnetic. And now they've switched to a USB type C, so you don't really have that benefit anymore. So here we go. Here's the unboxing. So initial, you can see different items. They do suggest that you can use it on tablets, type C laptops, and smartphones. The back side, you have quick reconnect, safely disconnect, and there we are. So let's give it an open. So opening it up, we have the front top flap showing you how to use it, and here we are. So yeah, now there's your USB type C connection. Standard USB-C, feels actually really nice. Put that back in there, and let's get to this mag connection. So we'll need to open it up. Got a little thumbtack here. Let's try opening this up. Oh. Yeah, I need to have something better for these unboxing videos. So there we go. Get this out. Alright, so so here we are. It's out. We've got a little slip of paper with it. Just the warranty policy for Australia. So if you're in Australia, pay attention. Otherwise, I don't think you need it. So yeah, it seems to be wrapped up pretty nicely in here in a little plastic container. We've got to get into there to that MagSafe. So pull this apart. And yeah, so I think they do have it packaged pretty well. It's not going to be falling around or falling apart or anything like that. So take this out here. Okay. So, alright, so we got the USB type C on this side. And the other side we have a USB type C on that side as well. Now, I have noticed that is a little bit larger than most inputs on cell phones through their cases. The cases are usually a little bit smaller than that. However, the MagSafe seems to be actually working pretty well. Seems to have some good attractive force, and I think that would work pretty well. I don't know if I would want to leave this in my computer. That seems to have quite a large size there. It's probably about the size of my thumbnail that would be sticking out. I would expect that to get hit, bumped, going into and out of my bag. So I probably wouldn't leave it hooked up. You can see you've got 3 conductors, power conductors there, and 2 magnets. So there. On the other side you got the exact same thing. You got 3 conductors and 2 magnets. Let's see if we can focus on that there. Oh, there we go. So this will not work for data, just for charging, and that's probably okay. But if not, just be aware that is one of the limitations of this charge cable. Alright, sorry for the long unboxing video, but I hope you enjoyed. You got any questions? Leave them in the comments.